In this video, we're going to unbox, set up, and give first impressions of the Petscosset outdoor cat shelter.
3, 2, 1, 0.
I take care of about 20 strays outside, so finding a decent outdoor shelter has been something I've been working through for a while. I've tried the whole spectrum: pop-up shelters, a DIY container box, even built several from scratch for about $150 in materials. When Petscosset reached out to review their cat house at around $100, I really wanted to see where it lands. Alright, let's see what we've got. Everything arrived, and it looked well built out of the box. I did have one piece come in with a small crack, but it's not structural, but worth noting. Paint and finish look good. All pieces are numbered, and the hardware is labeled A through J to match the including plans, so assembly is straightforward. Everything lined up, all the holes matched. Not always a given with flat pack outdoor furniture, so that's a good sign.
Ooh. Oh, girl. Hi. What do you think, Goldie? You're not sure, are ya?
So after spending some time with it, here's where I land. Two things I always check on any outdoor shelter: is it raised off the ground, and does it have an escape door in case of a predator? Check and check. The roof is one of my favorite details. One solid piece of asphalt is better for weatherproofing. The top opens on hinges with side locks that hold both panels open, making cleaning easy. There are flaps on the doors to block the wind. I wasn't sure if the cats would go through them, but they did without much hesitation. There's also a large door on the lower side for easy access without opening the top. Good for feeding or just checking in. The inside is more spacious than it looks from the outside. I can easily see 3 cats in there comfortably. There's room to move around, not just huddle. There's plenty of space to add a blanket or cat bed, which I plan to do. For colder climates, you want to add a foam board insulation inside or a heated cat pad. The interior is large enough to fit a standard pad, which your cats will appreciate during colder months. Overall, the build quality is solid for the price. I like how the house has multiple access points, like the roof and side door. It's really easy for cleaning. Is it a good option if you don't want to build? I'd say yes. It's a step up from the cheap pop-ups, faster than building your own, and $100 US, the price is honest for what you're getting. So scan the QR code on the screen or a link in the description to check out or even purchase. So are you buying or building your cat shelter? Tell me in the comments below. More cat videos are linked on the screen over there. So like and subscribe if you want to follow along, and I'll see you in the next video.